living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
First time in Zilker.
Okay.
It's been a while na kapunta ako sa Zilker Park. Back then, when I was still living in South Austin, always come here. First time in Austin. I mean Zilker. Yan guys, you guys go to Austin. Be sure to visit Zilker Park. It's a Thursday. Dagan kitao diri. Asking Thursday. People don't work. Like me. Yeah, just kidding.
Sana all in nila ang mag-work.
Yeah. Tapos, yeah, tip guys, if you don't want to pay for parking over there was free. It's close to Tumble 22, but you have to walk under the bridge, like what we're doing, because there's a bridge walkway that goes to actual Zilker Park. Yeah. Char. Wow. Nice shot. Cha-chang! Stevie ba ka? Oh!
For the barbecue.
For the barbecue. Oh, I am out of shape.
No, I'm broke.
Mercy. First time. And guys. Oh, they're actually cleaning it up. We used to paddleboard here a lot back in the day. I mean, I still do, but yeah, I go to the other side. Kay hugaw na diri, like if you can see, there's tons of like leaves. Huh? There's ducks here. There's turtles, snakes. No snakes. I don't think so. Oh yeah, and then it's so nice because you paddleboard here or kayak or canoe, and then you see the Austin skyline. You guys should come here. It's called Zilker Park, and today's wonderful too. Yeah, I think they're rehabilitating everything because everything's fenced, which is brand new to me. You know, it used to be like free over here. Babe, gusto picture? And guys, so they're kind of like rehabilitating everything. It used to be just trees over there. But yeah, it's nice because they're making an effort to clean it. Because I think it was last year. I don't know, like it was kind of like dirty. Yeah. But we're here very early, so it's not a lot of people. But usually, there's so many people. I mean, there's already a lot of people here this early. But yeah, look, it's kind of dirty. All the leaves falling and some whatever, like algae or moss. Yeah. And guys, that's where you rent the canoes and paddleboard. If you live in Austin, it's better to just buy one. Okay, ROI na siya after 5 uses. Yeah. Morning, this is the free part of Zilker.
Star? No, babe.
Yeah, I no. I think it's a crow.
Yung white?
Oh, I don't know. Unsa man na, guys? Kanang bird dito. I don't know what that is. I don't know.
Ay, dili di ay. Reg naka tindog siya sa. Ay, lagi taas yung tiil.
Taas yung tiil, no? Dili sa flamingo pod. Flamingo
Dili.
pink man.
Dili. Ay, pero na may uban flamingo, dili. Pink, basta bago ng anak.
Posible. Ay, uy! Mapale sila, di ba? So babe, so back then I would just when busy sa work, stress ko, I would just like go there, that part, and then I will just like bring my shorts and then just take a dip, and then like talk to people. They'll share their beers. As libre, libre, and then over there at that part is paid part. Like you pay and stuff. But it's very fun here because daghan tao, and then this is what they call uh um some like you can bring dogs. So maligo on dogs here. Like people would just chill. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, and then maligo ang mga tao dira, and then mag-play music, ana lingaw siya nya, mag-smoke og weed. Yeah, but yeah, it depends on you. Tapos lingaw gid siya nya. The paid part is over there on the other side. We can check it out. We can loop around. But yeah, guys, you guys should come here if you don't want to spend money. People don't want to come here sometimes because ana sila hugaw because there's a drainage there. So kung unsa ang nadito sa dahas, but it's a flowing thing. So I mean, I don't mind. I mean, I haven't gotten sick here. So I mean, a couple of sinus infections, but just don't dip your head. And guys, this is a famous jump bridge today. It says no jumping, but during summer, kids would jump here, or people would jump here towards the river or lake. Yeah, very famous. And guys, so ito yung
This is a paid part? Or
not yet. Yeah, ahead. But yeah, this was the part where I told you guys that you can rent canoes or kayaks and paddleboard. But yeah, looks like this. I don't know how much it is. I think it's like $25 per hour. But yeah, be sure to kind of like be mindful of the time. Okay, now like overtime, like excess hours, and then it adds up. And guys, that's the paid part of it. Barton Springs. I think the entrance is, if I'm not mistaken, $8 to $12. Yeah, muna kong gingon sa inyo on, that's what I said. There's a drainage there. So the water from over there goes over here. Yeah. People would, so it's very well maintained. The water here in Zilker is 70 degrees year round, so it's very cold. It's from Cold Spring, and people would sunbathe over there, that part over there. And there's a diving board there, and the water's the pool is very deep. I think it's $12 lang, and yeah, it's pretty well maintained. And then water goes here and then flows towards the rest of the lake. Ligo ka?
turtle, babe.
Where?
May turtle, oh.
Oh yeah. I forgot to say. Na turtle there. Daghan turtles there. Like if we find a log, they're usually sitting by the logs.
So fish good na siya, babe.
Fish na.
Oh.
Yeah, there's fish. It's a very clean lake.
Kaya na may life.
But like there were some
na part ang nightlife. That to.
Nah, for the rest of the yeah.
That to, na yung mga fish.
I think so. Yeah, I think there's fish. Di na kayo ko nag-pay attention because like on most days dagan people. Yeah. And then so there were some parts or periods before that this area was unsafe for dogs. Kaya bacteria, high levels of bacteria na unsafe for dogs, but safe for humans, obviously, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, there's a turtle. It's just casually.
Swimming.
Yeah, na daghan there's
chill ang turtle.
chill ra siya. And then apo yung mga marine biologists mag-dive or mag-snorkel, and then they will like pick up like tag animals kung unsa ang naa diri and stuff like that. Yeah. Napon my kids, guys. Don't worry, because there's a playground here. It's pretty massive. The park's pretty clean because well maintained siya year round. And diri sa park na yung mga festivals, like famous festival called ACL, Austin City Limits. So it's every year around October. That kind of mga big artists, like Hollywood people, come here. Yeah. No, turtle, Ami.
Mag-swim ang turtle.
Mag-swim siya. Ay, nag-sunbathing pa dahil siya. Wala siya nag-sunscreen. Yeah. Usually, daghan na sila dira, babe. Magtambay.
Ay, jogging minitito niya na turtle ami.
Turtle.
Okay, tomorrow do mag-crocodile park ka sila.
Like guys, so dog walkers. There's so many dogs. There's probably at least 20 dogs. Holy crapper. So guys, so wala siyang may center sa Zilker Park. Na yung murag like hill dira or like the Lion King or whatever. Na play beach volleyball dira. So I just realized na, remember, ano ko sa inyo ganina, na ay kanang festival here, yearly. So, there's like a 2-week festival and it's a lot of people coming from all over the world. So many artists. But dili, after i-close nila ang park for a couple months, kay i-rehabilitate nila, hulaton nila ma-recover ang park, ang grass, and fauna and everything. So close siya karon. So dili na ko matake si Kaye dira. Kay na fences and everything. So just be mindful. Kumaan mo mga after October, di mo makasulod sa park. So best to come here like spring, February. I don't know if February open na ba. I think open na siya December. Kay na trail of lights diri. Ika December. So na mga Christmas displays and stuff. But yeah, so mga spring, summer, anha mo dire. And it's wonderful. Sorry, babe.
It's okay.
As next order of business, mag-brunch mi sa sa barbecue place sa famous Texas barbecue.
Di ba mag-brunch na ta?
Hmm?
Di nga na ta
Picnic.
Picnic.
After,
Okay.
brunch mi sa Terry Blacks. So, yeah, see you guys later. Wow! Kamusta ang Zilker? Kaboy!
What good kapoy?
Yeah, and I realized now na dili tayo dito tambay sa park. Ito mo lagi itong closed. O yeah, pabalik namin sa car. Muna ang guys, skyline sa Zilker. Nice kayo, right? Wawa! I work over there. Terry Black. First time sa Terry Blacks. First time niyo, babe? Na Texas barbecue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. First time.
Sa big sila na. Iba legit, di ba?
It is a famous Terry Blacks, guys. Pwede ka mag-video din, babe? Ay, pwede ka mag-video. Oh, you got it.
Thank you.
Okay. What kind of size do you want?
Small lang.
Okay, what's in the size?
Size. Ikaw?
Yeah.
Rice.
Rice and all.
40? Or, mas ikaw, unsa may nice pair? Nanay rice.
Oh, can we have a pint of rice? And then not a pint. The 5 lines. You want more? No, that's it for you. Yes. Yeah. And then the jalapeno. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You want cheese jalapeno original?
Ikaw lang bala. Hindi ko pa bala.
So what is it like
Oh yes. And then these are actually her purple.
very good to have you.
Thank you.
Brisket to ito nga yeah, like thank you. Thank you.
You have any drinks here?
You want drinks? Your water, just water. Just water. Yeah.
And can be similar to 56. And for first timer, I recommend taking a little pit tour. See all of our deep in it.
We can go there?
Yeah.
Free?
Yeah, see if anyone up there available and they give you a pit tour as well.
Okay.
And they want to all done.
Who do we approach? What do we? Let's just go on to that. Okay. You say it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then so I guess it.
Any? Ito. Or dito na sa
Huh?
side. Ito.
Yeah.
Or ikaw. Pwede ra. I'll it.
Huh? Ano yung order, guys? You got brisket, original ribs, and then some sausage, and then some sides, rice, also, and of course, excited? Gutom?
Yeah. Repeat.
Hearted. Worth it ang run.
Try lang.
Try lang. Try songs. That's the way the second check out. If you like people try so her famous.
Dagdagan kayo.
I think your food.
Yeah, really not.
This is $87 total. So I was gonna order like beef ribs but mahal na kayo. Kami ra suwa, hindi kita akong baon.
Harap mo. Sorry nga problema, guys.
Now put your gloves so you can.
Good.
Dami.
Thank you.
Mix na mo.
Thank you.
First time ko sa corn.
Mm.
First time ko sa corn. Hey, yes. Rice is good. I like the rice. Actually, yeah, dude. Go on it. No sausage here. Lamig kanila sausage. So everything is most. So as that door niya, ito ang story. Sa kapatid. Wala ko ngayon dyan. I love you.
Video nga sa. Mag-hit ka man ko tao nito.
Mga 400 calories lang. Sabi ako na slice na. I was so tough. Oh. Guys, we're gonna take a tour here at the pit. Sure.
Just watch yourself on this side.
Oh, it's kind of hot. Oh shoot! All right, I'll stay over here. I get that. Where the magic happens, guys. Can we come in? Oh, oh, oh! Wow! Whoa! Look at that. Yeah, babe. Ah, the famous beef ribs.
Yeah, we cook about 175 briskets. But inside we sell from 250 close to 400 briskets.
Every day.
Every day, yeah.
Oh,
We go around the shop.
just the brisket alone.
Just the brisket.
Oh wow. And what temperature you guys like smoke it?
You start at 250 and you end up at 300 degrees at the end.
Mm.
Brisket takes 12 hours to cook.
And this is like just the one batch, and then you start from evening, right?
Daytime we only do brisket. This is for tomorrow.
Or oh, okay, okay. These are massive smokers. Holy crap!
All right, so pull these four right here. So watch your head, okay? Pull those four. Remember, when you grab them, don't you grab them like this. Don't grab them like this. You gotta make sure.
It's very hot here too, guys. So if you guys ever come here, just be sure to watch out because it's kind of hot. Wow, it's so moist.
Just be careful, okay? It's hot.
Just bare hand. Oh, with the gloves on. So I see like sprays, like you guys spray
We
something.
do apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire. We do it twice with apple cider vinegar and then once with Worcestershire.
Mm. Yeah, it smells so good. Whoa.
Okay, did you do the first rotation with Ashwell? The first one? Ashwell, is this the first rotation or second? Hey, come here, just give me real quick. ¿Cuál fue el que sacaste de acá adentro? ¿Cuál fue? ¿Qué niña?
Los de allá, los de acá.
Oh, son esos.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Doing well, doing well. Man, this
Okay.
is
Okay, so we're gonna do this from the bowl. There's a reason why. Why don't you take this apart?
The ribs. They fall off the bone.
This should be fine.
And those ribs will fall off the bone. Dino ribs. Oh. Feels good here too because it's warm.
Oh, yeah, they have to be. Me or do you feel like this?
So, like the coating, kanang mura siya dark color. Mura siyang seasoning. Bark mo yan, mura mo bark. So what is the foil for? Like
It's the flattest part of the brisket.
oh, so it won't fall off or?
The flat is no layers of fat.
Oh.
Keep it from burning.
Ah, okay, okay.
It doesn't dry.
Keep
it moist.
Protects
it basically from that heat rolling over.
Oh, okay, okay.
So this one here now, this one here, you're gonna pull that one there. You're gonna find the biggest one. You're gonna put it there. Yeah.
We're learning something new, guys.
Touch like this side.
Yeah. I think it's done. Okay.
It's that hard, and that's what you get.
I get this. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thanks guys.
This is what it looks like. Wow. Food porn right here. Oh, sorry. So what is here, Dad? Cha-chan! Picture ka dili? Or dira? Dili na? Come to Terry Black's, guys. Yan guys, kami sa South Congress. Famous, South Congress Avenue. Shopping district. It's too expensive for my taste. Pero na yung mga famous stores diri. Na gani, LV gani diri. Somewhere. Yeah. A famous motel sa likod, guys. And Nike. Nagay Hermes dito. Init. Hi guys, famous photo spot. Picture ka? Guys. Monster.
New Balance.
New Balance. Pero, man.
Ikaw mag-wear.
Let me know in the comment section. Okay, magpalit ko sa DH Gate. Yeah. It's weird though, because it's the forward motion sensation. Nice siya. But, hindi ko comfortable. What? Yeah. I'll buy new shoes next time. Next time. Na, budol na bud.
That's why we run.
Guys, it's been a while na. Gusto ko kanya matry ang lalalag.
Wala ka lalalan to April.
Sa LA?
Don't think so.
It's alright. It's alright. Good playlist though.
Good calories man eh. Lang.
Happy na siya. Na siya yung drink. What is that?
Well, we'll try pa.
Banana cloud latte?
Yeah.
Matcha? What? Does it hurt?
Banana, di man.
Sure ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, try it.
Ang important to, nayabok. Kung nayabok.
GG. We waited for 20
Mahal
minutes.
pag yun.
It's like $7 for a medium.
Tip, 8.31.
Oh no, you tipped. Just kidding. Try it.
Kaulo, magugo. Basta ka na magtanaw ba?
Mo ng purpose. Tutukan ka nila. They'll look at you, stare at you. First drink. Here, give me that.
Nice silang straw, babe. Heart pag yun.
Heart? To hell with the heart. That's why it's like $8. I'm a
Nice
rebel.
silang ka nang inani ba?
Okay. The cup. How is it? So-so?
Pero
So-so.
lami siya, but because of the price.
Yeah, it diminishes flavor.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so verdict is it's not worth it.
Dili, okay siya
Out of
for a
10.
drive,
Out of
pero
10.
Not
Every day. Out of 10.
Pwede na siya sa mga 7.5 because of the
7.5.
price, 6.5.
6.5 because of the price, guys. Okay. It's what is it? Banana cloud matcha latte. It's alright. And we're going back to our car. It's time to cross. Oh wow. 7.5. It increased. Oh shoot, is it okay? Is it legal to take a picture?
Bayad ka.
I think they're influencers.
Diba natin
Yeah, they're influencers.
Vegas.
Yeah.
Naka nang mag-bake ka nasa mga fountain na girls.
Yeah.
Isang malabay lang nimo na silang sa video.
Bayad, yeah. Yeah, I think
$10.
those women were influencers. Same time influencers sila. Austin Motel, guys, just do it.
Just boo.
Just boo it. Wala na, tapos na, guys. Boo na, boo. Boo it. Sa Pilipinas pa to, biglang liko to joke ra. Picture siya, guys. I love Austin. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Wow. Nani siya sa may ano guys, South First Day. South First. Famous, ano ni siya? Ano, famous po na bakery. Swedish Hill Deli Cafe. No, not Nadre. Dolce Nueve.
This way.
Ah, sorry. I do it. I don't know. That's a very good gelato place too. Dolce Neve. Gelato place. It's right across the sign. Oh yeah? That's it?
Kasi nakalamig
No,
niya.
it's Skyline. It's just really good. Let me tell you. Let me get.
Like 10 out of 10.
No, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Okay, that's
Mm.
good.
It's good enough. Good enough.
Monday.
Monday? Hi, Cindy. Alright. Guys, I gotta take this moment. Here. Hi. Hi, guys. Y'all's first time meeting. Ah! Ah! Guys, I have 16 subscribers.
That's 16 more than I expected.
I know. We're gonna be here for dinner, guys. Old Ellie hot pot. Wow, wow, wow. Are we early? Let's go there right there. Having a hard time parking. But yeah. The disclaimer, people here don't know how to park. I'll show you guys later. Yeah. Ito na to, babe.
I got a new.
Alright, I'll go meet Cody. Bro! Bro, there's a spot here. Ay, dude. Did you notice how people park here?
Yeah, terrible.
Terrible, dude. Like I can't.
Yo, I don't think you can get in here though.
You too,
Should
bro.
I take another spot? I'll take another
Yeah,
spot.
take that as spot, bro. It's a lot wider.
I thought it was cute that I was next to you.
I mean, it is kind of way, but yeah, no, it
Wait, this
sucks.
parking lot is so small.
No, like it also like people don't know how to park. Like you could like look at that Camry.
Kanino?
This is Acura too. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm hungry. We're eating there. Old Alley Hot Pot. It's our first time eating here.
Ilang light, ilang kuan ba?
Wala. I
Guys,
think
there's so much pressure.
pressure. Yay! Dude, look at this, the Camry. Holy crap. Winner, chicken dinner. It's the best. Nag-heart yung mama. Cody. Look at this, the Camry.
I know.
I think everyone here parks.
Also, you guys are matched.
Thank you. We didn't
so
plan this.
cute.
We didn't plan this. No, we didn't.
Oh.
Yeah.
You guys look so
You
good.
guys are
Nice
all
jacket.
brown.
Where'd you get it from? Quince?
DH Gate, bro.
Really?
The sunglasses place.
From where I got.
Oh.
This is supposed to be
Wow.
a designer. It's supposed to be a designer.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what the
Loss
nice.
management? What is that?
Oh,
You look naked now.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, tell me what.
That's really nice. Charles has been saying
For his whole life. Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Huh?
I listened to his podcast. Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, you can understand it, so. You know all the secrets.
Did you learn?
Yeah.
You knew about the podcast
Oh.
before you guys started.
our table was ready.
Before you guys started dating.
We were actually talking already.
Oh, I see. And he told you about the podcast. Oh, I see.
Yay!
Thank you. So the inside looks like, guys. Wow. Over here. Thank you. Good. How are you?
Good.
You wanna sit in the insult? No, it's our first time. Mm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
And scan to order.
You can scan the code and order by your phone, menu first.
Okay.
You can scan the code.
Okay.
And then the sauces are over there.
Here is sauce bar. One person is $2.99, including blues, dessert sauces there. We can take a look later.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is what inside looks like. It smells so good in here too. Sauce bar is over there. It smells so good.
I know. So hungry.
Thank you.
讲中文。
这里的特点是什么？
我们家的特点吗？牛油锅是我们家的特色，因为它是重庆火锅。
哦，OK。
对，那锅会比较辣。
是不是很辣？是不是很辣？
会很辣，但是 we can order regular oil and the lemon little spicy first.
Okay.
So you want more spicy, we can add. Yeah.
Okay.
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 And today we have 4 people. I suggest we could get 3 favors. Also, we could do
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do 3. Wait.
Yeah. Y'all pick.
Okay. And then.
That's so cute. You play TikTok?
Huh?
You play TikTok or YouTuber?
YouTuber. Yeah.
Trying to get famous. So we'll eat here a lot.
It is all food stuff. He's a Yelp elite.
Oh, really? Oh, where's
No.
my-
No, I just I'm a Yelp on the Yelp.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You can see maybe first. If you have any questions, you can call me.
Okay.
Okay.
And do you need the beef protect your?
Yes. This.
And then tomato bar.
So cute. We have this. Thank you.
Are you guys okay if I do 1 spicy and 2 not spicy?
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
You should.
Okay.
Guys, they even have this.
I know your Chinese is so good.
I'm practicing.
Dude, you were so good. What the hell?
Oh wait, there's so many like things to choose from.
She said that beef is the most popular. But then other than that, she's better.
Yeah, this. Aha.
Oh, noodles.
Oh yeah.
Rainbow noodles.
Oh yeah, that's very money.
Usually there are hits.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. I would do something.
my house makes are very
Really?
yeah.
Wow. How'd you meet them?
The birthday and then Jason is from we already go to the same house with like my mom and others. And the other one is
Oh.
there.
Oh, very good. Like Jason's on your too?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're all the same.
Oh, on your
Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice people.
Yeah.
You can tell they're so lucky. You have the years.
Yeah.
And so she can take care of you all the time.
You work in the hospital? Yeah. Like what type of floor? Is that like internal medicine or?
Interventional reality.
Oh, okay.
I are like,
So do you know what I mean? Like all those reports?
No. I know. I think it's the
I actually don't know any nurse who said radio.
It was a shock.
Oh, you know?
When I came to in the Philippines, the hospital that I worked was like that's a local hospital. And when I came to our, it was like something like thick lights and everything was like overwhelmed.
What are you doing?
I didn't sign a consent form, sir. Don't record me. We have one Irish friend here who's very quiet. He doesn't really like his song. Oh, man.
Is it Irish?
Yes. He's Irish about it. No, but I've heard his parents all.
But a lot of like
Yeah.
I don't know, but most of the Irish people, even my boss, it likes to talk. Like
Likes to
all of
talk.
them likes to talk.
Especially about the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah, they ask you about the weather. Always. It's like their introduction.
Yeah, it's like you're. It's like, oh, what are you doing?
How you doing? How you doing? What you doing? But New Yorkers don't make small talk. Do you guys make small talk?
We don't talk to anyone. I'm from New York. Yeah. My parents are from Hong and they moved here in college. So I was born in New York. But in New York, no one talks up. Have you been to New York? Oh, you haven't?
Not yet.
One day we should do a trip.
I was gonna tell her like, New York is a clusterfuck. Like, you know, you always get like the feeling when you're like flying over the New York, because is it me? But the captain always does this. Like he makes sure that you can see the vast jungle, like concrete jungle. But when you're there, it's just like what the hell? Like everybody's so rude, dirty. But again, it's a wonderful place. Like in a way, like just to sightsee.
So we actually met, when we go golfing, we met this guy at the counter. He's from New York originally, and he moved here like 20 years ago in Austin. And he said that the reason why, like, it's so hard to live in New York is because all the energy is like stuck in one area in New York City. Like you're stuck in the buildings, then you're stuck in the cars, and everything's just in one area. But Austin, he was like, the energy flows. Like there's always people moving in and out, transplants, like international students moving in.
Good ways.
And he was like, yeah, he was like, he's so much happier moving here than,
That's a good way to see it, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the cheese.
How do you feel about Ireland? After seeing... Thank you. Yeah, we go. I don't know. But she said something about $2.99. What was that? Oh, okay. Alright, guys. They're gonna show you the sauce. Oh, seasoning. Oh. This is a sauce bar. Wow. Gusto ka? Sago soup? Oh, it's a dessert? Wow. Don't like that? Oh. She's shit. You want me to make yours?
No, you're stuck.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember when we were cooking Florida, the hotpot, and you had so much orange to like cut the
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what this is though. Dude, they have chicken broth.
Chicken broth?
Yeah.
Oh, fresh garlic roll. Talking about that's my
Vinegar.
what?
Vinegar. Not like that. Wow, diba? Yeah, she was fine with it. Yeah. Whoa, look at that spread, guys. Holy shit.
I don't have a controller.
Wow.
Is there a controller?
Controller?
Temperature, slope?
Oh, I don't think there is. Oh, here, right over here. Should I turn it on? Yeah. I P3, P2, P3.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Sugar daddy. Ready. This shit. Just it.
Sushimasen. Sushimasen. Wow.
稍等一下。
You full?
Oh, okay.
It's free?
Here.
It's free? Yeah. What did you say? Ah. So it's free?
My son are gonna wash the dishes.
Oh no! I heard he's security.
Tomorrow, my brother,
Yeah.
after he came, he like studied in the library.
Yeah.
He would literally sprint home because there were so many muggers on the street.
When he was in Baltimore for undergrad?
Yeah, for undergrad, he would sprint home.
Where did he go? University of Maryland? Oh, Johns Hopkins.
It was so unsafe there that he had to sprint
How long
home.
did he needed to run?
15 minutes.
15 minutes! That's why he's...
Sprint? That's not a sprint. That's a marathon.
It's a marathon. Usain Tony Bolt.
Why?
Huh?
So then he decided to.
Damn. Hey, I gotta hand it to him. Mad respect to Tony, man. Yeah,
He's so fast.
yeah. Man, I thought Tony was a wuss, but he lived in the streets.
He lived in the hood.
He lived in the hoods. He experienced the hood.
Like sprinting in the dark.
What did he take from him? What did he take from him? Oh, poor Tony.
All he was doing was trying to.
Wait. Cody, did you bring a bag when you were in school, in college? You bring... Really?
What do you think?
You really?
Yeah.
You don't like...
I was a studier.
Wait, is it the same? Is it... So in the Philippines, when you're a freshman, you bring like tons of like stuff to school. But once... Backpack and everything. But once you reach like senior year, you barely bring anything. Is that right? Same here too?
You start losing more clothes.
Oh. So it's really the same then. Well,
Wait, no. I feel like I always had like.
what a
I remember
nerd.
I always had. Yeah. I had a binder for each class.
Real even until senior year?
A tiny binder. Yeah.
No way.
I had a binder.
Really? Really? Dude, by the time I got senior year, I only had like one notebook.
And one underwear.
No, one notebook and a pen. And then like I barely write on it too.
It's just for show.
For show. Just so
The
I
last day of school, you just had a pen.
yeah. Holy crap.
You came in naked.
Yeah, we went to a private school, so we have a uniform. There's a 7. Oh, look, guys, it's a konbini. 7-Eleven.
Oh.
Damn, this place is super quiet.
Yeah.
That's a domain, right? That's a domain already. Oh, dude, my calf is hurting from all the running.
You want to avoid this hill then?
Nah, it's okay.
Hike back up later.
You're not hurting, Cody?
Huh?
You're not hurting? Damn, you're strong, bro. What is the quad? Oh yeah, the quad. Yeah. That quad.
Dude, the RDLs were so hard today.
Yeah.
I never knew you had to stick your ass out that
Yeah.
far. He pushed my hip so far. I didn't even know I could go that far.
No, he kept saying, give your chest out, and I'm like, it is out.
Your butt is weak.
Wait, but like when I see you do it, I feel like you just go like up and down.
No, I actually.
Oh.
Damn, it's so hard. So I think KP's just saying that you don't have a butt, Cody. Oh, you want to pass? Oh, yeah. There you go, sir.
No, because like AP.
What?
is,
That's so cool.
Oh,
Whoa! He's a magician. No.
I could not fit through that. He just slid right. Wait, that's actually really funny.
You think the residents did that?
Wait, can I try?
Yeah. You think yeah, I feel like the residents did that. That is so weird. This place looks like Riata though. Right, Cody?
Yeah.
It looks like my old apartment. It doesn't smell like it.
no, because when he was trying to pass us, I was like, oh, don't you want to go forward?
Go.
Dude. It's so peaceful here.
Are you gonna be here now?
No. I like my apartment. Dude, but it's so cheap now. Like, it's $100 cheaper now. From my rent, yeah.
Wait, what is it?
My rent is $14.95, and then now it's like $13.99 or something like that. $100 cheaper. Yeah, it's weird. People are not moving or moving in Austin. Like,
It's 10 minutes.
oh, nice. Yeah, we can. Oh, look what Kaye got me. A Garmin.
Oh, that's why.
That's why I'm your
Emergency contact.
Wait, what does it do?
It's like a fitness
Yeah, but it lasts 11 days.
with no charge.
Yeah, with no charge. Yeah.
What'd you get, Kaye?
An AirPods Pro.
You good?
Yeah. It's my Christmas gift and happy birthday gift.
What's
All
it?
in one. June.
Oh,
Next year.
what date? June 1? Oh,
Oh, not for this year. Not for next year, but for this year too. Oh, sorry.
June 19.
She's June 19.
We're birthday buddies.
My mom's June 13.
Oh, really?
Oh, my mom's June 19. Oh no, your mom's June 13? My mom's June 13.
Really?
No freaking way. I gotta ask my mom again just to make sure.
Oh my god. You guys, that's so crazy.
Yeah, because her aunt, her great aunt is great aunt.
Lola.
Great Lola, great grandma is number 3rd too. We visited her in Wisconsin, and then she was like, "Oh, this is my advanced birthday," and I'm like, "When is your birthday?" Like November 3rd. I'm like, "No way, mine too." So we ended up like celebrating together. Yeah, she's probably one of the nicest people, dude. Like, I mean, she's not perfect, but like, dude, she gets off by like helping people. Like, she helps so many people, like legally, like to come here in America, have a better life, you know. Have no her great grandma. Yeah, she's very kind. Yeah, I want to be that much like that kind of person, you know. Yeah, but like one-on-one philanthropist, one at a time. Yeah. True. I haven't. Yeah, she hasn't messaged yet.
You changed my life.
Hey, Cody, do you want to be a mentor, good dude?
Wait.
Hiccups. Scared the shit out of you.
I don't think I have the time.
Yeah, I know. I agree.
I want to
Yeah.
get back to.
Yeah.
What's it?
Yeah, but I think I'm just gonna keep inviting you guys to our FYP events. That'll be fun. Oh, dude, I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna pause.